This video, we're going to quickly cover the AutoCAD menu bar. By default, in the newer versions of AutoCAD, the menu bar is not visible. The ribbon is shown, quick access toolbar above that, and then the AutoCAD browser button. The menu bar can be executed by starting the menu bar command. Once you strike that, 1 is to toggle it on, 0 is off. Simple on and off. The menu bar appears above the ribbon. You'll notice that there's a strip of tabs here, and the first one is File. Like the options that you get when you click on the AutoCAD browser button, you'll see the New, Open, Save, etc. Those are similar here: New, Open, Save, Export, and Plot. And then you'll see your recent drawings down here at the bottom, including your drawing utilities. The next one you have is Edit, then View, Insert, Format, Tools, including toolbars, Drawings, Dimensions, Modify, Parametric, Window, Help, and then in any other tools that you may have. So if you have Bluebeam, PDF Review, or if you have any other Express tools loaded, they'll appear here. Again, menu bar is the command to toggle it on, and menu bar is to toggle it off with 0.